I'm Dani. Welcome to the workshop. In the previous video, I showed you the very basic way in which you can use ScanTo3D add-in in SolidWorks. In today's video, I will show you more advanced part in which you must use more than one type of face to convert it to SolidWorks features. Let's see. We start with finding our file we want to open, select the file type, ScanTo3D mesh, and pick the file you wish to convert. Now we have our imported mesh, which is for ScanTo3D. Go to ScanTo3D and select the surface wizard directly. Then I select the mesh. On the next step, we are choosing guided creation because they are faces that can be done with simple surface operation. In a case it's a very complex body that you have, you can use the automatic creation, which will generate a one surface which is created from many different patches. In the next step, you can choose a split plane. I don't have one and don't need one. And now we are in the step in which we are separating the different faces so we can convert them later. As a start, I will go maximum to the right and hit apply, so I can have a bigger pieces. Then you can either select individually every mesh and adjust it, or you can use the paint tool to separate faces. I will do exactly this. I will use the paint tool for all planar faces to be separated from the rounded ones. Or almost all. I won't touch the internal ones here. Now, we are ready with this step. And we can check what we have with pointing on the different faces. No, we are not ready. I forgot this too. I hit cancel. Now again, you can go on automatic painting so you can check if everything is correct. Sometimes the colors are not very well visible, so I recommend you to do this check. Everything is as it should be, so we are going to the next step. In the next step, I pick one by one first the planar faces and convert them . Now for this two, I will click one of them, then Control and the other, and I will convert them to one planar face. The same I will do for these two here. Now this face I will choose to be revolve. The same for this here. This one is extrude, and extrude also for this here. Otherwise, on the next step, I have some problems if I choose revolve. Now, when we are ready, we click next. And we will see a preview of the faces which we have converted. Then we hit OK. Now, when we have this, what we have to do is to go to Insert, Features, Intersect, select all the faces, then select Create Internal Regions and hit Intersect. It will create also this inside. You can just click them and they will disappear. Then you have to scroll down and mark the option Merge Result. You can also mark Consume Surfaces, but I don't know why in this case Consume Surfaces is not working. I will mark it anyway. Usually it's supposed to delete all the surfaces. And the next thing that I will do, I will go to Direct Editing, delete Keep Body, mark one of the faces, then hit Ctrl A and it will select all the faces, and we have to choose once again the one from which we started. And this is our SolidWorks feature. As you can see here, it's a feature body, not a mesh body, which we can modify or do whatever we want. For example, I can delete this face or all these faces. And make a fillet, so I'm sure that here is a correct radius and not some strange curve. And the same I can do for this here. And that's all. And that's it. Not so complicated. Now you know how to convert more advanced models to SolidWorks features. See you next time. Bye.